iOS guided access restricts app access, but can trap users. Solutions: triple-click Home, enter passcode, disable Face or Touch ID. Restart iPhone, reset settings, or contact Apple support if issues persist. Part 2. How to fix iPhone or iPad stuck in guided access swiftly. In terms of efficiency and success rate, iOS system recovery is surely your top pick. As a widely recognized system repair tool in the industry, its overall performance is noteworthy. Part 3. Other 5 fixes to iPhone or iPad stuck in guided access. Fix 1. Triple-click the key combination. Triple-press the home side to access Apple accessibility features. Choose Guided Access from the options presented. Enter your guided access passcode. Now, you can end your guided access. Fix 2. Try iCloud Lost Mode. Visit iCloud.com, log in, click Find iPhone, enable Lost Mode. Dismiss pop-ups. Your device's lock screen will appear. Enter passcode to unfreeze iPhone or iPad stuck on guided access. Fix 3. Restore iPhone with iTunes. Install latest iTunes version on your computer. Connect iPhone using cable. Wait for iTunes to recognize device. Click iPhone icon at top. Choose Restore iPhone. Confirm and click Restore to reset iPhone to factory settings. Fix 4. Force restart iPhone. iPhone 8 and later. Press volume up. Release. Press volume down. Release. Hold side button for Apple logo. iPhone 7/7 Plus. Hold volume down and power buttons. Release at Apple logo. To force restart iPhone or iPad in guided access, navigate to Settings, select Accessibility, and turn off guided access. Fix 5. Contact Apple support. Download Apple support app. Sign in or create Apple ID. Enter issue. Review articles. Select iPhone. Issue category. Tap Talk to Apple support. Follow instructions. Explain issue.